Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your financial statements with Intuit, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your Intuit software. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Reports section on the left-hand menu. Click on Reports to open the report options. In the Reports menu, find the Financial Statements category. Select Balance Sheet to begin with your financial reset. Customize the date range to suit your needs. Click Run Report to generate your balance sheet. Review the balance sheet for any discrepancies. Now, return to the Reports menu. Select Profit and Loss next. Again, adjust the date range if necessary. Click Run Report to view your profit and loss statement. Examine the profit and loss report for accuracy. If you identify any errors, note the specifics for correction. Next, navigate to the Accounting menu. Select Chart of Accounts. Review the list for any inactive or erroneous accounts. Consider deleting or inactivating these accounts. After reviewing, return to the dashboard. Click on the Settings icon in the upper right corner. Choose Company Settings from the drop-down. Find the Advanced tab within the Settings menu. Look for the option to reset your transactions. Carefully read the instructions provided. Confirm that you want to reset financial statements. Follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the reset. Once completed, check your reports again. Make sure everything reflects your desired setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.